Okay, so a couple of quick examples from the front of that worksheet. First off, we know that these two angles together, so angle 1 and the angle that's marked 140 together are 180. Because again, they make a straight angle, together they are supplementary. So we're going to subtract that 140 from 180 and get 40. So 1 is going to be 40 degrees. So we go over here and we find 40 degrees is R. So down below, we find a 1 and we put an R there. Let's take a look here then. So obviously 1 and 2 are equal because they're corresponding. Again, hopefully you know your vocab here. So this is 40 degrees. And so wherever I see a 2, I'm going to put that same R down here. And then 3 we know is 140 because this angle and angle 3 are corresponding. So 140 degrees. So wherever I see that 140 degrees over here, it's going to be L. So 3 is going to be L. Okay, so you're going to work a couple real quick like this. So go into class kick and do that. So again, head into class kick, work a couple. So to start with, we know that these two angles together make a straight line. So we're going to say, we know that again they're 180 together, they're supplementary. Subtract that for 35 and we end up getting 145. So if this one is 145, so is, let's see here, well, none of the others. We know that this angle and 5 are corresponding, so this is going to be 35 degrees. These two are vertical, so 6 is 35 degrees. So, then going over here to the side. For number 4, we see 145. That's down here. So we're going to put an S where we see a 4. I'm going to find that down here. There we go. And 5 and 6 are both 35 degrees, so we're going to put an O for 5 and 6. So 6 and 5. Both get O's. So you've got a couple of those done already. Go and finish up that worksheet. And again, I've got more examples here if you continue. So again, continue for more examples. We saw ones like this the other day. You have to use your knowledge of the vocabulary, right, of angle equality to solve this. Well, we know that this angle and this angle are vertical, so they're equal. So that means that 5x equals 40. You're just going to solve for x. Now it's just an algebra equation. So divide that 5, and x is 8. So that's what we're looking for there. Head into class kick and work a few, and come back and check. Alright, we know that these two angles are equal because they are corresponding, or they're in the same position. So it means I can set them equal. 4x plus 3 equals 99. Add that 3 to both sides. 4x equals 96. Divide off your 4 and x is 24. Now these two aren't quite like the last one. They're not equal. But we do know that together they make a straight line. So it's 180 degrees. That means I can add whatever's there. This and this together. So x plus 2 plus 6x plus 3 is going to equal 180 degrees. Obviously you could combine like terms. 1x and 6x is 7x. 2 plus 3 is 5. All that equals 180. You're going to go ahead and subtract off your 5. 7x equals 175. Divide off that 7 and x is 25. And that's what we're looking for there. Again, got to use your knowledge of angles and how they're related to solve these.